Chapter 1. Thought and Character. Synopsis. Alan establishes that a person's character is the sum of their thoughts. Noble thoughts create noble character, while negative thoughts lead to undesirable outcomes. Real-life application. Practice mindfulness to monitor and guide your thoughts. Replace negative thinking with positive affirmations and constructive mental habits. Chapter 2. Effect of thought on circumstances. Synopsis. External circumstances are shaped by internal thoughts. Thoughts can attract success or failure, depending on their nature. Real-life application. Reflect on how your mindset affects your life circumstances. Cultivate resilience and optimism to navigate challenges and create favorable outcomes. Chapter 3. Effect of thought on health and the body. Synopsis. A healthy mind fosters a healthy body. Negative thoughts can harm physical well-being, while positive thoughts promote health and vitality. Please take the time to subscribe and hit the notification button. It is free to do so. Also, click the like button now if you enjoy this type of content. Thank you. Real-life application. Manage stress through meditation, gratitude, or relaxation techniques. Foster a positive mental state to improve physical health and energy. Chapter 4. Thought and Purpose. Synopsis. Purposeful thoughts lead to focused actions and success. Without purpose, thoughts become scattered and unproductive. Real-life application. Define a clear purpose for your life and work. Align daily actions with long-term goals and intentions. Chapter 5. The Thought Factor in Achievement. Synopsis. All achievements are the result of focused and disciplined thought. Laziness and lack of direction hinder success. Real-life application. Develop discipline and perseverance in pursuing goals. Avoid distractions and maintain mental clarity to stay productive. Chapter 6. Visions and Ideals. Synopsis. A person's vision and ideals determine their destiny. Lofty aspirations inspire greatness, while low aspirations limit potential. Real-life application. Visualize your ideal life and set ambitious yet realistic goals. Regularly revisit your vision to stay motivated and inspired. Chapter 7. Serenity. Synopsis. Serenity is the ultimate goal of self-mastery. A calm mind is a sign of strength and wisdom, and it positively influences others. Real-life application. Practice emotional regulation and stay calm in adversity. Cultivate inner peace through mindfulness, gratitude, and spiritual practices. Final thoughts. As A Man Thinketh emphasizes the power of thoughts in shaping every aspect of life. The practical application of its principles lies in cultivating mindfulness, setting a purposeful vision, and maintaining mental discipline to create a fulfilling life. Please take the time to subscribe and hit the notification button. It is free to do so. Also, click the like button now if you enjoy this type of content. Thanks.